Is this thing on? What the hell is up? Hey, today we're trying Egyptian candy and snacks. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't really eat a whole lot today, so I'm excited. I am excited. I'm so excited. So yeah, this is what we got. I'm ready to get right into the video, to be honest with you guys. These snack boxes have been sitting in my cabinet, and I've been looking at them, and I've been salivating, and I've been ready to make this video. And now I'm ready. So let's get it, we're gonna get after it. All right, so just to give you guys a little idea of what this box looks like on the inside. So yeah, it's filled. This is probably gonna be a longer video. There's a lot of shit in here, a lot of good stuff to try, and I'm excited. So we're gonna get into it. So just for future reference, a lot of these things have, like this for example, I don't know how to even say that. I don't even know what the hell that is. So a lot of these things, I'm just gonna be showing you guys a picture of it and then eating it. First things first, I don't know what this is. So we're going with we got a drink, so we're gonna pop that open first, get it, wet the beak. Get me all ready to go. So first off, we got Adio, made with real lemon and mint. Mojito, I don't know what this is. Never heard of this, never seen it in my whole life. So I'm about to carbonated. Ooh, minty. I don't know how I feel about that. 42 calories too, so it probably doesn't taste great, but it's probably not bad. All right, one sip, everybody knows the rules. Oh, wait, hold on. That shit's good. Ooh, I like that. Oh, we're off to a hot start. Let's go. All right, so I emptied the box and I laid everything out for, for the aesthetics. So check it out. This is what we're working with, guys. That's a lot of shit. That's a lot of shit. So as I was saying before, there's so much stuff here that this is probably gonna be a longer video. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm super hungry, so let's go. Let's go. All right, first things first. We're gonna go savory. I think we're gonna go savory. So these are called waves, kebab waves. Let's get it. Let's get into it. It's a little interesting. I don't know if I like it. I don't really know how to explain the taste of it, but like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't like that. 5 out of 10. It's okay. It's not great, it's just meh. All right, next up we got a Munch Bar. A chocolate-coated, fluffy, crisp fingers. A Munch Bar. It's very light. It feels like it feels like air. All right, check it out. It's not bad. It doesn't wow you, it's just like, it is what it is. It's just like, I don't know what they're called, but I wish I did because I know exactly what they taste like in the US, but like, I don't know what they're called. They're okay. Nothing special. Average. Like I said, I wouldn't go out of my way to buy these, but like, they're not bad. Mix them in there. So we got waves. The chips, the potato chips, like the kebab ones, but these ones are chili lemon. I'm hoping these are better than the last ones because I wasn't really super thrilled with the kebab flavor. I thought it was kind of a weird flavor. Chili and lemon though. It's got a nice smell. It's different. These ones are pretty good. I actually like these. They got like a, oh yeah, yes. You get like a little kick from the lemon. Oh yeah, I like these. These are pretty good. But like, I wouldn't buy them. And the more I'm eating them, the more they're dropping. It's okay. I'm a harsh critic, right? I'll tell you how it is. I'm not gonna sugarcoat shit. I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is and how I'm feeling when I'm eating things. Next up on the chopping block, we got a golden sponge cake torta with strawberry jelly and cream filling white chocolate base. Now, if this isn't good, I have lost all hope in humanity, because I tell you what, the packaging, they did well. Oh, it's getting all over the place. All right, let's go. It's pretty fucking good, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little dry, but like, it's pretty good. Yeah, I could see myself going to a 7-Eleven and be like, damn, I need myself a torta, and buying one of these. This is pretty good. Oh yeah, that's good shit. Right down the hatch. I need to refresh my palate with a little Adio. Oh yeah, it tastes like TV static kind of, to be honest though. All right, next up we got okay, you know, the old tried and true. I never tried this, but we got a Kit Kat bar, a Biscoff cookie Kit Kat bar. I've honestly never heard of this, and I'm very excited. Who doesn't like a good Kit Kat bar? I love Kit Kat bars. They rock. Oh yeah. That's dangerous. That is dangerous. That shit's good. Oh yeah. I'd be a fat bastard if I had these here. I'd be buying these left and right. Bing bong. Next up on a block, we got a Blaso, a chocolate-filled wafer coated with crisp caramel and chocolate. Blaso. I mean, damn. The packaging on this makes this shit look like it's heaven sent. So it's gotta be good, right? Oh yeah, look at that thing. It's very, very bumpy. All right, here we go. Here goes nothing. Ooh. Where's the freaking gabagool? Where's the caramel? That's pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie. It's good, but like, it's just nothing special, you know? Okay, next up we got a Bimbo. Bimbo Original. It looks like a little cookie. I shouldn't say I've never seen this in my life. I haven't seen 90% of this shit in my, and by 90 I mean I haven't seen any of this shit my whole life. But this thing looks pretty good, I must say. It looks like one of those Oreo. It looks like one of those Oreo dipped. I don't know if you guys ever seen that. It looks pretty good. It's gotta be good, honestly. It's a cookie dipped in chocolate. What could possibly go wrong? As expected, shit's bussin'. Oh yeah. But like I said before, I would never buy this. Like, it's pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie. If it was sitting out, I'd eat it. I don't know, it's pretty good. Like, it's a tasty treat. Next up on the chopping block, we got a Star Bar. A supersized Star Bar. And it is nougat cocoa with caramel coated with chocolate covered chocolate filled with peanuts. I don't know. But this is what we're working with. Super size. I don't know why they had to supersize it. That's a little bit excessive, but you know, decent packaging. I would say it doesn't look super enticing. The packaging doesn't make it look super enticing. So I'm not really expecting a whole lot out of this. Maybe it'll wow me. I mean, so it looks as I expected it would look, just a big brick of chocolate. Like, oh, I don't know. Here goes nothing. I don't like the peanuts, but it's got a weird texture. It's like chewy but tough at the same time. I'm not a huge fan. This thing had potential, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it let me down. We got a Drew cake, a cocoa cake filled with chocolate cream, and it's chocolate coated. This thing is probably like a Hostess cake that you would find at like a 7-Eleven. Oh, I don't know. I'm kind of getting sick of chocolate things, and like I still have a lot more chocolate shit to go, so my ratings might be biased going forward. All right, looks like a cake, I guess. Here goes nothing. Not a huge fan. It's kind of dry. Like, I don't know. It's not bad. I would never buy this. I don't think I would even eat it, to be honest. Like, it's okay. I give it like a 4 out of 10. I don't know. It's nothing special. All right, next up we got a shockingly crispy Fresca Sticks rolled wafer filled with cocoa and hazelnut cream. First of all, I think the packaging is whack. I don't know why they have some random old lady screaming on the package. Really doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me, and the green is just not it. Look at me now. Now I'm making fun of the packaging of these things. I'm just not looking forward to this. I'm gonna give it a go, but I know I'm not gonna be surprised. I already have a feeling I know what it's gonna taste like. I know what it looks like, know what it's gonna taste like. Here goes nothing, I guess. It surprised me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. It's actually not bad. It's got some nice flavors, I'm not gonna lie. The flavor is almost immaculate. And it's not bad. It's not great, but it's also not bad. Switching it up with a little savory, we got I don't know what Egyptian writing this is. I don't know how to say it. It's a guy shoulder pressing cheese wheels. So I'm assuming it's some kind of cheese puff. Check it out. Little Cheeto cheese puffs. I'm sure they're okay. I don't think this is gonna be crazy wow, but we'll see. No. It's literally just cheese puffs. Or it's just Cheetos. Like, yeah. Like they just, it is what it is. Nothing special. Boom, ba boom, boom. We have mini Tipos. Soft biscuits filled and coated with natural chocolate. I do like myself a soft biscuit. I have a feeling that these have some potential to be good. When you start talking about like mini cookies and then you make them soft, now you're talking my language. Now I'm picking up what you're putting down. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, these are pretty good. These are pretty good. I mean, per usual, nothing spectacular, but these are up there. These are definitely top 5 in what I've eaten so far. These are pretty good. All right, now we got El Shaman. They're vegan as well. Actually, to be honest with you, I bet you most of the stuff is vegan. I mean, I'm pretty sure Oreos are vegan, so I don't really know. I'm not. I mean, I'm getting these out of the way. I don't really think these are gonna be too special. Just like a little wafer. A wafer. That's what I was thinking about with that. I forget what it was, but I know I was thinking that I couldn't remember the name of something, and it was a wafer. That's it. Oh my god. All right. Anyways, back to the program. So. Yeah. And to be honest with you, it's really not even. It's not even. Who the hell would buy that? It tastes like I'm eating paper. All right, here we go. This one's gotta be good. We got a Drew Swiss roll filled with milk cream and fig jam. This has gotta be good. There's no way it's not. There's no way. Look at that whole thing. It's got a nice texture, I'm not gonna lie. It smells pretty good. Ooh. That thing's pretty damn good. Oh yeah. That's the stuff. It's got a nice texture, a pretty good taste. It's yeah. I like that. I like that. Next up we got a Lux Dates, and they look like Fig Newtons. I have a pretty good feeling that this is gonna taste similar to the last one I just ate. But I mean, I've had Fig Newtons before. They're kind of hard. I am intrigued. There's not a whole lot of flavor. It's not. I'm not a huge fan of these. No, that's not it. That is not it. All right, next up we got Corona Crispy Chocolate. I'm pretty sure I've had something similar to this. It's like chocolate with like rice in it, I think. I don't really know what I'm saying, but I'm pretty sure I've had something like this, and I have a good idea of what it's gonna taste like too. It just looks like normal chocolate. I mean, it just tastes like a normal chocolate bar. Nothing special, really. Next up on the drawing board, we got shockingly crispy Fresca Choco Bar. White chocolate coated wafer filled with chocolate cream. I'm not a huge fan of like wafer type foods, and I feel like that's like a common theme, or like kind of a theme with some of the stuff that I'm eating. I mean, my favorite candy is probably like something gummy. I really like gummy shit. So like, this stuff is all good, but like, I don't know, that's more on my wheelhouse. All right, let's try it out. Oh, this one is sneaky. I like this. That's got a good flavor. I like that. It's like a little party in my mouth. That's good shit. Damn. That might be the best thing I've eaten so far, to be honest. I have no idea why, but it is. All right, guys, we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more things left, and I'm not gonna lie, my stomach is starting to betray me. Or should I say, I betrayed my stomach, and now my stomach is just mad. Next up, we got Bang Bites. They're a little crushed in the bag, but yeah, that's what they look like. Like I said, more wafer stuff. Wafer Bites filled with chocolate and hazelnut cream. I'm getting sick of the wafer shit. Not gonna lie. It's okay. I mean, it's not great. Yeah, it's okay. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I've been eyeballing this one. We got a Tata Biscuit with marshmallow, dark chocolate. So when it comes to like chocolate stuff, if I get chocolate covered marshmallows, that's like my favorite combination on this earth, or one of them. That shit gets me going. So I'm hoping that this doesn't let me down. Don't let me down, Tata. Here goes nothing. You let me down. You let me down. Oh. Yeah. It's like, I think what's throwing me off is like the biscuit in it. Because it's like a weird textured cookie. 2 cookies and then marshmallow in between. I don't know. It's just not really doing it for me. Yeah, just not really doing it for me. All right, I'm definitely in the need for a switch up, change of pace. I've got 2 more bags of like savory stuff. So here goes nothing. We got a Fingers pizza sticks. These look good. I think this will be a pretty good change of pace here. Ooh, the aroma is very pizza-like. All right. Ooh. I'll give it to him. It does taste like I'm eating a pizza. It tastes like I'm eating a supreme pizza. It's actually pretty good. It's got a good flavor. A good crunch. In terms of the savory stuff I've eaten, I would probably say that the Waves chili and lime has been the best. This is definitely number 2 though. It's not bad. It's decent. I could see myself opening this and just like mindlessly eating for like good 20 minutes. All right, next up we got Fingers white chocolate coated biscuits. Egypt got a lot of biscuits. You got a lot of biscuits over there. I mean, it's pretty good. It's like I said, it's exactly what it says. It's a white chocolate coated biscuit. Like, that's it. Like, it really doesn't go much deeper than that. Like, it's okay. It's not bad. It's like a white chocolate covered cookie. It's pretty good though. All right, next up we got a Fun Day Bobo, a teddy bear cake with strawberry filling. I guess we'll see how it goes. My stomach is starting to hurt me. Oh, that's kind of cute. Look at that thing. Look at that little guy. Little bear. That's pretty good, actually. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, that's good shit. It tastes like one of those moist pound cakes. A pound cake, yeah. Moist. Yeah, that's pretty good. I could see myself buying that. That's up there. That's probably one of the better things I've eaten so far. All right, closing in on last couple things. We got a Gero Bar coconut chocolate. I'm not really in the mood for eating coconut right now, so I have a feeling that my opinion on this little piece of candy, this little chocolate treat, is going to be a little biased. So it just looks like a stick of chocolate coconut, as you would expect. Nothing special. Oh, wait, hold on. No. It was good. Like, the texture was good, and then it got me as soon as the coconut started coming in, and I'm not in the mood for coconut right now, so like, yeah, not doing it for me. Next up, I'm slowing down a little bit. I got like 5 things left, and my stomach is hurting me. It's hurting me, but gotta finish. You know, my feelings are temporary. This video is permanent. All right, we have canned cones, fiery cheese. But I actually have a feeling these might be good, so. Oh, they look like bugles. Ferris Bugles Day Off. All right. They have a strong flavor, and I can't tell if I like it or not. It tastes... The problem with this is, like, the cheese tastes fake. Like, I know it's fake cheese, but, like, it tastes fake. No. That's not doing it for me. I'm not a huge fan of these. I think my stomach already just hurts too, so, like... All right, we have a little paradise. Looks like a Tootsie Roll. It looks like a little high chew. There's no way these are bad. Oh. It looks like a little Starburst. Like, it's gotta be good. Yeah. Oh, that's good shit. I think, you know what I think it is this box has been full of like chocolate things, and like, I like chocolate, don't get me wrong, but like, it's not my go-to like source of like sweets. Like I said before, I'm more of like a gummy and more like this type of person. Like, this is definitely top 5. This shit's good, really good. They also have a mango one. I don't really know which one this was. This was peach. I'll try the mango. Yeah, that's good shit. Good shit. Alright, only 3 things left. Here I have a rocket bar. It's a milk chocolate with sweet, chewy filling. I have a feeling this is gonna be pretty damn good. Especially just from the way they have it packaged. Like, there's no way it's not good. Like, how is chocolate with sweet, chewy filling bad in any combination? It's not. And it's real thick. You know, a real girthy chocolate bar. So let's give it a go. Oh. Oh, it's hard. That's good shit though. This is easily top 5. That's good shit. Something about the inside, that, like the filling, is like, it's like hard to chew, but it's also really good. All right, we got 2 things left. We are closing in on the end, and yeah. So we got Dolce Coffee Cream Hard Candies. Check them out. I feel like these would be pretty good. You know, something to suck on. Oh, individually wrapped, individual pieces. Wow, look at that. Imagine taking the time to do that. Obviously, they don't do it themselves. There's a machine, but you know. All right. A little hard candy action. Very, very coffee-like. Wow. That tastes like espresso condensed into a hard candy, and that's probably exactly what this is. I hate that. Oh, I'm being so dramatic, but wow, that was not good. Ew. Something about it is just like, ugh, I don't know, not good. All right, that's it. I am done with all the snacks. My stomach is a toxic goop, and yeah, let me tell you, let me give you my top 5. All right. So in 5th place, we have the Fresca Chocolate Wafer Bar. This thing low-key, I was sleeping on it. I didn't think it was gonna be that great, and it ended up actually being pretty good. In 4th place, we have the Teddy Bear Cake. This thing was like, it was moist, and like, it was actually really good. 3rd place, we got the Rocket Chocolate Bar. I really like the texture of it, of like the inside of it. Really got me going. Really got me going, if you know what I'm saying. All right, in 2nd place, we got the little Paradise, little tiny candy things. Tasted like Starburst, like High Chews kind of, and like I really like stuff like that. You know, I'm more of a fruity candy kind of guy, so that was right up my alley. It's fucking delicious. And in 1st place, I got the Kit Kat bar. That shit was bussin'. Really got me going. That shit was good. I don't know why. That shit was really good. But yeah, let's go. Egyptian candy and snacks, done. My overall opinion of everything, I really like it. I thought like the chip flavors were interesting though. They were good. They're very flavorful. Interesting choices though, like kebab, chili lime. Yeah, just a little. It's different. I mean, obviously it's a foreign snack, but it was good. As far as the candy proportion, it was very like chocolate covered biscuit wafers, and like that's not really my thing. But it was really good. I thought it was really good. Definitely impressed. I think I like this one a little bit better than Mexican candy. So yeah. Next up is Pakistan. All right guys, so that about wraps up this video. I'm glad you guys watched the whole thing through. I'm sure this was a longer video. This might even be the longest video on my account. So for that, I'm sorry if that's what you wanted. You're welcome. But seriously though, guys, I really appreciate those of you who made it to the end. I put a lot of time and effort into this. I was really excited to try this. I really do enjoy like opening these crates and like trying different snacks from different like foreign countries. It's really fun for me to do, and like it's a party for my taste buds. You know, it's like taking my taste buds to a different country, and I like that. I love that. Definitely a different style of content, but I think this series is here to stay, so I'm gonna keep this shit rolling. If you guys have any recommendations on a different country that I should look into getting a box from, let me know in the comments. Let me know, and I'll get it. But yeah, you know, as always, I hope that you have a great day.